Day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Dennis De La Cruz Ginupud, 43 years old, with 4 children, age 22 years old, 19 years old, 17 years old, and 7 years old is my youngest daughter. I have one sister and I am the youngest of the family. I live in District 2, Reina Mercedes, Isabela, and I'm graduated at Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir, but I have experienced this as one of many for 6 years and with one couples and 4 children, age 14, 12, 9, and 4 years old. And I'm doing job as a helper, cleaning the house, ironing, washing, and especially to taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm securing always the securing of the children. If the baby is sick, I will always do monitor and I will call the employer if needed.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, kind, and responsible and hardworking, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. 7 years ago, I am surgerying STS for my youngest daughter, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want even to provide to for family and especially to financially, sir.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
Um, I do my job and focus to my job and I remind to myself I will need for my job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Um, in I'm working to my job. So, I sleep around 10 p.m. and I woke up around 6 a.m. sir.
Okay. Are you the one who does the do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Uh, I will be patient and calm with dealing them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the household chores?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook the Chinese food?
No, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Um, Take little that day I want you. Papi want, Chini want, they will go. But the one little that to the feather on his back. Here will be other with a quack, quack, quack. Quack,
Oh.
quack, quack. Down by the river they will go. River, wobble to and fro. But the one little that to the feather on his back. Here will be other with a quack, 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 quack.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. I hope to choose me as your helper because I am a responsible and hardworking person. And I serve your family to all my best. Thank you.